Most powerful dua you could make in the nights of Ramadan, especially these brothers and sisters. We have entered the last 10 nights of Ramadan. These are the most powerful, most blessed nights of the entire year. Let's not waste our time. There is no room for laziness in these last 10 nights of Ramadan. No room for wasting time on online games or anything else, sitting and watching soaps and so on. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to get his family up. They used to worship Allah. He used to take it seriously. And subhanallah, he used to spend these nights in the most blessed way. What about us? We should take these seriously. At least don't waste your time. Don't let these moments die or just pass by, slip through your fingers, when these are the moments of forgiveness. Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Oh Allah, you are most forgiving. You love to forgive. So forgive me. Subhanallah, that's the most powerful dua.